Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be making a fall themed journal. So I'm using the fall home complementary kit, all these tags, envelopes and the journal papers. So these are the tags and the envelopes that are included in the complementary kit fall home. And I'm also using the Shabby pumpkin pattern so that I can use it for the journal covers. So here is the fall home journal papers. So for the assembly, I'm just taking this cardboard over here. And I'm just going to fold it like so and make it like a folio kind of a thing over here. And I'm also going to use these pocket flaps and folders to make some flaps on this journal cover. I'm gluing on the two sides and leaving the flap so that I can attach it to the cover. Just repeating the same process, but I'm going to attach this pocket flap on the bottom, so I'm leaving the bottom flap over here. For this folder, I'm just using that top tab part and folding it so that I can attach using that tab part to the journal cover. Using this envelope again as a flap on this side. So that's the flaps that I have attached to the cover. Now I'm just going to start adding the covering the journal cover. I'm using the pattern papers and applying glue and just applying these papers to cover this area. While the inner cover is drying, I'm just going to start binding the journal papers over here. I'm making 3 holes on the journal papers. And I'm using needle and thread to bind the papers. here it is. It's a small journal with just the fall home papers and a few of the flaps that I have made. Right now I'm just going to start covering the outside part over here using again the pattern papers. So it's almost done. I'm just making sure the covers are intact and in place. Next, I'm just going to start adding pockets. These pockets are from the Complementary kit, Fall Home Complementary kit. To start adding the journal cards, the ephemeras to decorate the journal. Adding the final touch. So to secure the journal, I'm just adding sari ribbon over here so that I can tie it together. here's the final reveal of the journal. I hope you enjoyed this process. The links to all the kits are given in the description below. And there are a lot of sale that is going on in the shop, including Black Friday, Cyber Week sale. So take a look at it. And you can also subscribe to the newsletter so that you get extra discounts on all the kits available in the shop. I will see you in another video soon. Bye bye.